Hi, subscribers. Hi, viewers. Welcome to day 10 of our Chinese Mandarin HSK Flashcards challenge. If you've been following through, you'll see that these are the cards that we have actually pulled out of the deck. This is Yo, this is Shi, this is Da, this is Che, this is Tsai. Yes, this is Guo. Yesterday, our card that we're looking for was Guo, but today we're looking for Lai, so we should be able to find Lai in this deck. Remember, in total, we got 284 flashcards, and every day I try to add a few more, and I can identify, I know about 75 flashcards to this very day. So we started, I remember, um, last week, just a few days ago, when we started this challenge, I could only identify something like a good 40 characters, but it's very good now because we're over 70. So we're hoping that in the next few days, before the end of the week, we'll be on something like 80 to 100. So I'll go through this deck looking for Lai. Then once I found Lai, we'll go through the whole deck to try to see how many cards we really identified today. This is Ma, this is Tsu, this is A, this is Chi, this is Ri, this is Shui, this is Man, Tong, Shan. Oh, sorry. Mistook this one. I just got it wrong. This is Chu. Sorry, I got it wrong. So we put it aside. This is Bu. This is Jia. Ta. Da. Fei. Mei. Ma. Ni. Wu. Yue. Bi. Bei. I know this is Bei, so anyway, that's fine. This is Cai. Liang. Ma. Yi. Kan. Ming. Qian. Cai. Ko. Zhang. Dou. Wei. Liang. La. Zhong. Yuan. Ma. So I got it wrong. Ta. Dian. Shuang. These are the new added cards. So what I did add a few more cards so that we can keep on practicing with more cards every time I take out a few cards. This is Cha. Yuan. Nei. Wen. These are the new added cards. Hui. Cai. Da. Shui. Bing. Oh, I've got a thing. There's water. Bing is similar to water. Bing and Shui are similar. Just Shui does not have this here, so it's my fault. Wo. Xiao. Jin. Fa is a new card. Leo. De. Ke. Shan. Xia. Hao. Chu. And then you add Ke. Ke. So you see these two characters, they share the same resemblance, but this is a measure word. I know this one is part of Gaga, meaning brother. Shang, Gong, Pian, Ren, Shu, Si, Lai, Shang, Shui. Oh, Shui. This is I'll go on again with this. This is Ta, Di, New Pa. Oh, Pa. I should have known that one. Chi, Jiu, New, Shang, Men, Ming. Oh, sorry, that's my fault. This is part of Panyo. Xiao. Should I put it here? I pronounced it wrong, but I got it correct. Bi. Shi. Lao Shi. I always get, if you watch my videos, I always mistake this Lao and Shi. I know Lao Shi means teacher. I know the characters, but I don't know which one is which. I always seem to make a mistake. Sometimes I got it correct. This is Shi, meaning number 10. Pa, San, Shang, Zhi, Kan, Ye, Tian, Yu, Mei, Shi. So remember, I got Lao very wrong. So, and we went through the whole deck, and I didn't pull out the card we were looking for. That was Man. So now I have to go through the whole deck again, and let's see if we will find. Let me just try to add this Shui, Yu, Lao, Peng, Jiu, Song, Pa. I've got a lot of, I need to practice with this card, so let me just, I put it aside for this moment. Da, Di, so D for D, Shui, water, I got that one correct. This is K, put aside. Fa, Bing, Zhou, Si, Bei, Ta, Da. So I think these two characters are similar, but they mean two different things. I'll keep on making mistake. I'll find it on the deck in the next few days. You will see what I'm talking about. These two similar characters, but you can use it in different words. So I'm just going to put it here until I find the other one. This is Chu. So what I'll do now is we have these few flashcards here. I have to go through all of them to identify. This time I'm not going to pronounce. I'm only looking for the character Man. So let me just go through the whole thing and see if we'll find Man. Cai Tian Ming Kan Yi Ma Cai Zi 月无你妈没非这不从men. We're looking for a different man. 学 re 是字么口出part of 老师是没他看着 or 这是什么 okay, that's fine. I think I'll have to put it aside at the moment. 被是水冰 so I remember B has got this other extra character, so that's fine. Bing, let me put aside. 知 Shen San Ba. So we are looking for men. If we can't find it here, I think we went through it. If we can't find it, we'll have to look for other cards on that tab. This is Lao, Shi, Bei, Xiao, men. Yes, men. This is the character we're looking for. So we've got this here, and let's see. Remember, this is Bing, and Bing with this is Shui, so I need to practice this and know it a little bit. Shang, New, Lai, Si, Shu, meaning book. Ren, Pian, Gong, Sheng, Ge, remember we got I explained that these two similar words, they almost sound the same. This is Chu, Hao, Xia, Shan, Liu, Shui. Remember Shui and Bing. So now I have to, today I think I've learned something. Shui and Bing, the similar. So I need to know which one is which, just like I'm struggling with Laoshi. This is Jiu. We got it correct this time. Peng. We got it correct. Jin. Jiao. Xiao. I'll leave it aside. Wo. Da. Che. Dian. Ta. Yuan. Zhong. La. Liang. Wei. Dou. Zheng. Xiao. Bei, Bi, Shi. Is it Shi or Lao Shi? Yeah, Lao Shi. So this is fine. So let's see how many. Let me just put aside because I didn't identify it correctly this time. So let's do the card count and see how many we really got correct at this moment. Remember, yesterday we won 75 cards, so today I have to count again. Remember, this is the cards our target, so this is what you should be knowing by now if you're following a character. Men, Gong, Tsai, Che, De, Shi, Yo. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 cards. So you should be able to identify 7 characters. So let's do the count and see how many we got correct. So today we won 79, just a cut short of 80. So we should be able to reach our target, and which is good. We are seeing some progress. So which is almost double where we started just a few days ago. Let me see. This is Lao, Jin, Xiao, Bing, Kan, Che. Kan and Che, they're very similar. I think I have to identify Kan and really take a look at it properly. This is the, so this is almost like Tong Shuang. What I'll be doing next as well is this Tsai. Yeah, Tsai. We know a different Tsai. Ma, Fa, Ka. I can identify a few. Da, Di. Okay, this is fine. This is U. Yes. So that's fine. What I will do next is remember 79. 79 is not bad, considering that we got a few here that we're going to go through. So see you in the next video, and please subscribe and like the video as we progress on our HSK Chinese Mandarin Flashcards challenge. And we are seeing some improvements, and in the near future we just want to hope like by next week to on something like maybe as much as 100 flashcards. And once we finish our exercises, we're taking it to the next stage. Once we've identified just a few flashcards, we will be able to make just a short sentences, and we'll be going through a little bit of intensive. If you know something like a good 100 characters, you're on level 2 of Chinese. That's good to identify yourself as level 2. Then, before we go into speaking, we're going to go into a little bit of writing. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.